of. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to the channel if you're new. I'm sure if you guys are reading the title, you know that I put the double din in the Escalade now. That's the Pioneer, the 4800, I believe that one is, yeah. AVHX 4800 BS. So gonna go over some stuff here. I'm not gonna make a big intro, I'll just put my intro on this. But we're running Pandora right now, and what's cool about this is I had the line output converter already installed for the factory head unit, so I didn't have to run RCAs or remote wire, because it still turns on all that. But you know, that's just one plus. But eventually I might run RCAs because this has 4-volt pre-outs. But the LC2i, you know, can go 5 volts or whatever. So, but haven't tuned that yet for this radio. I was just doing some equalizer settings, but figured I'd just show you guys. I got it in. I got to run the Bluetooth mic and some other stuff still, but all the steering controls work. I got the volume and seek, all that stuff works. The source works. Bluetooth, which Bluetooth doesn't show album art on Pioneers, if you guys don't know that, but the Pandora does. You get the little album art right here. Auxiliary radio, and it sounds good. The bass actually sounds pretty good, better, I think. Like I said, I gotta mess with the LC2i, the bass roll off and whatnot. And another key feature that I want, well, just a hint that I learned, these have spacers that go where the radio bolts to the factory, where the holes are. They're spacers, and I didn't put those in at first, just in a hurry, and the bottom of this was hitting the dash bezel, wouldn't allow the screen to open right, so you have to put those in, and I learned the hard way. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. And I had to cut the back of the radio, which I already knew because I've done a few of these, but behind the factory radio is that metal to plastic bracket with a rivet. You drill that rivet out, and then you got to take a oscillating tool. I have a DeWalt one, or I have a cordless Dremel. I got a video of that on my channel as well. But and then I cut that plastic out, and there's 2 little notches in the back. I wish I would have showed you guys this on camera, but it looks like this when it goes back. But right here is a plastic piece, and that you got to get cut out so the bottom of the radio can slide in there. And once you get all that cut out, it fits in there just fine. I got the pack unit to run all the OnStar, the steering wheel controls, all that. That was posted in some of my other videos when I reviewed this radio, the unboxing. So go back, check those out if you want to see those. But everything works as it should. You know, you got the tilt works and everything, and you can tilt it. You know, the CD player works and everything. Get the CD out, none of that hits. I have that other Pioneer radio that I just got, the 7100 NEX, and it's got all the HD radio and stuff, and I'd really like to put that one in, but I already had this harness to this already wired up and tested, taped up, so I'm gonna run this one for a little while. Might put that NEX one in there. Let's go back to the radio. Alrighty then. You can hit seek here, and that'll change your Pandora to the next song. That's pretty cool. But yeah, just figured I'd give you guys a new update on it. See, there's the album art. That doesn't do in Bluetooth for whatever reason. Pioneers just don't do it, but they do it in the Pandora. My next upgrade, I think I'm gonna do a different alternator. Not sure if I'm gonna do Mech Man or not, but stay tuned for that, and click on some of the other videos at the end of this video. I'm sure I'll have the link up for this one when I reviewed it. If you want to take a look at that, I go through everything if you're thinking about buying one. Any comments, leave them down there. I get back to everybody pretty much as quick as I can. So if you have any questions, I can answer those as soon as possible. And thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I got TubeBuddy and everything's going up. You know, all my view count and everything, and my watch time's up. So my subscribers, I've gained like 50 subscribers over a short amount of time. So I appreciate all that and hope to get more. Take care, guys.